Head coach of Arnett Gardens FC, Alex Thomas, has confirmed that the club has signed Giovanni Lake and Salas Cannonier from St. Kitts and Nevis. Lake, a striker, and Cannonier, a defender, have been signed after impressing for their country in the Olympic Games qualifiers, which were held at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex last year.
Yeah, they are here. They are here with us, and they will start practice the next training session. They joined us yesterday, and good vibes. I've seen them in the under-23 qualifying, and they will be a good addition to our program.
Now, the Red Star Premier League is on hold until after Group B is completed in the Caribbean Club Championship. And the 37-year-old Thomas also spoke about how Arnett will be spending the break.
This break doesn't mean that we are on holidays. This break we're going to work. I'm going to push these players to the limit because they have it in them. And it's a rest to recover injuries, fix what's going on, fix our problems, and fix the things and go forward.